Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 glove box. First, ensure your car is off and the ignition key is removed for safety. You'll need an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension bar for this task. Begin by opening the glove box and removing all its contents. Next, gently pry off the small side plastic panel on the passenger side of the dashboard. This panel is usually held by clips and comes off easily. Now, let's locate the screws holding the glove box in place. There are typically 8 screws in total. Start by removing the single 8mm bolt situated deep at the back of the glove box. An extension bar will be very helpful here. Next, unscrew the 3 8mm bolts that run along the top edge of the glove box opening. Finally, remove the 8mm screw located behind the side panel you just took off. With those screws out, move to the underside of the glove box. You'll find 2 more 8mm bolts there. Remove them carefully. At this point, the glove box should start to feel loose. Gently pull the glove box forward to disengage it from any remaining clips. Be mindful that there are electrical connections, such as for the glove box light or a CD changer, that need to be disconnected. Support the glove box as you unclip these wires to avoid any damage. To reinstall your Audi A3 glove box, simply reverse the steps. Reconnect all electrical wires first, ensuring they are securely attached. Then carefully position the glove box back into its opening, aligning the clips and screw holes. Insert and tighten all 8mm bolts, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, replace the side panel. Test the glove box light and overall functionality before you close it. And for more great deals, including the Kindle Paperwhite mentioned, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.